I'm tired, man. Clap if you don't get enough sleep in here. Let me know I'm not the only grown person in here. So I live in Chicago, so, you know, my apartment, the walls are thin as hell. I can hear too much on the other side of the wall, you know. This motherfucker live next door to me, snore like they a bear in hibernation, goddamn. And I can deal with you if you snore and you sound like a human snoring, but this motherfucker snore sound like he cutting wood or some shit. You never hear the snore right away, right? You live with somebody that snores, it's always after you found that good position. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, I hear. I'll be glad when that tree fall down. Everybody's asleep. They stand people to snore. And if you live with somebody that snore, you know there's never just one type of snore. No. There's snore variations. Depending on how tired they are, that's how they snore. You ever live with somebody that snore, but they talk in between the snoring? Wake you up out of good sleep. You been sleeping and... Come on. No! No, motherfucker! Wake your ass up! One of them Lifetime movies that came to life on your head. Oh, shit. I'm gonna get ready to get out of here. No, yes. I would love to keep doing comedy for y'all, but I can't because my comedy is kind of like a prepaid phone. Money run out, ain't no more talking, damn it. So. Plus they got this hot ass light on my ass. Motherfuckers got me up here like gyro meat in this motherfucker. Fuck a drink, give me some cucumber sauce. But I'm gonna leave here. I hope y'all enjoyed yourself. I would go all night, but they gave me the night, so, you know. Now, that's when they start deducting your money. When they start blinking that shit. I want all my shit. But I appreciate y'all, you know. After comedy shows, a lot of comedians, they try to sell you DVDs and shit, and that's cool. But what if you don't want that? That's why I come here. After my show, I will be selling black soap and shea butter, goddammit. Some shit you can really use if you got that ass shit black elbow that won't quit. Holler at your boy. I want to thank y'all for supporting comedy. I want to thank y'all for letting me be myself. again. I've been the Wildcat, y'all.